Good morning everyone. How are you all? Welcome back to Grammar Online class, children. So today we have a topic, nouns, and in that nouns we will discuss about numbers. This is chapter 9 in your book, children. So when we talk about numbers, we always talk about singular or plural numbers. Singular numbers, they are 1. They are 1 in number. When we talk about one noun, that is called singular. Means, for example, a book, a girl, a boy, a table. When we talk about one noun, then we are talking about singular noun. And children, when we talk about more than one nouns, then we are talking about plural nouns. For example, book, if we are talking about one book, we will say it book. But when we are talking about more than one books, then we will say books, B-O-O-K-S, we add S to it. Girls, tables. So children, there are a few rules to change singular nouns to plural nouns. If we have a word that is ending with double S, X, SH, CH, we add ES to that word. For example, dress, DRESS. So when we are making this dress into plural form, we will say DRESSES. Fox, foxes, ES. Dish, dishes, ES. We add ES to it. Glass, glasses. Like these words, we have another rule. When a noun is ending with Y in the end, we add IES when we are making it plural form. For example, we have a word party, P-A-R-T-Y, party. And when we are making this into plural, we will write P-A-R-T-I-E-S. We will cut Y in the end and we will add I-E-S to this word. Family, families, F-A-M-I-L-I-E-S, families. But children, there are a few words in grammar in which they are ending with Y, but we will not cut that Y. We just write S after them. For example, they are day, D-A-Y, day, D-A-Y-S, days. Key, keys. Play, P-L-A-Y-S, plays. R-A-Y, ray, R-A-Y-S, rays. So there are a few words more in which we only end S after the Y. We do not use I-E-S to them. So children, if the noun ends with F, we change them into V-E-S. V-E-S. For example, let's take a word calf, C-A-L-F, calf. When we write its plural form, we will add V-E-S instead of S. We'll write C-A-L-V-E-S, calf. Leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaf. So there are nouns ending with O. We add ES when we make them into plural form. For example, buffalo, we add ES after buffalo. Mango, mangoes, M-A-N-G-O-E-S. But there are a few words in which we do not add ES. They always end with S. For example, photo, photos, P-H-O-T-O-S. We do not add ES. Radio, radios. Piano, pianos. We do not add ES to these words. So there are a few nouns, they remain same. When we talk about singular or plural, they are written in a same, like sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. We do not add S to it. Deer, hare. We not say hairs, we say hair. fish, furniture, we always call it in singular form, furniture. News, N-E-W-S, news, but we always take it in a singular form. So children, there are few words also, we always take them in plural. We write them with S. If we are talking about one scissors, then also we will write scissors, S, because they are always come in pair. Trousers, we do not say trouser, it is trousers. If we are talking about singular also, this is trousers. Spectacles, socks, they always come in plural form. So there are some nouns which form irregular manner. Like if I talk about child, C-H-I-L-D, child. So I am talking about singular child. And when I talk about more than one, then I use children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. There are more words like mouse. We change mice when we talk about plural, M-I-C-E. M-A-N, man. If we are talking about more than one man, then we say men, M-E-N, men. So like these, we have these rules to form words from singular to plural. So children, take out your book, page number 24. Let us solve examples and exercises also. There are many examples given on page number 24, 25, 26, and we have discussed all of them here. Now let us start our book exercises. This is on page number 27. Let me find out first. So children, open your book, page number 27. Page number 27, exercise A. In this exercise, we have to circle the singular nouns and underline the plural nouns. So first sentence is, children, two boys were playing in the park. So here, boys, we have to underline boys because this is plural form, and park is singular form. Second exercise is, my right foot hurts. So here we have foot, and this is singular. We do not have any plural here in the sentence. Third is, the oxen were standing in front of the gate. Children, here oxen is plural and gate is singular. Fourth sentence, children, the men wore white shirts and the women wore white dresses. Here all the words like men, shirts, women and dresses, they are plural, so we will underline them. Next sentence is, children, the boxes were kept in one corner of the room. Here boxes, underline boxes and circle corner and room. Sixth is, girls of our school will participate in the competition. Children, underline girls and circle school and competition. Seventh one is, bring tomatoes, potatoes and mangoes from the market. So here this is clear that tomatoes, potatoes and mangoes, they are plural forms of noun. So underline them and circle market. Other three, children, do on your own. Now come to exercise B. This is very easy one. Here they have given us two nouns in the bracket. We have to search out the correct one. I have bought 2 dash from the bookstore. 2 books from the bookstore. Next is, my mother is using a dash to cut the vegetables. Knife. K-N-I-F-E. Knife is the correct word. Other 3 sentences, children, from this page, do on your own. Now turn your page and come to page number 28. So here 6th sentence is, a cricket dash is going on in London. So we will tick here match. A cricket match. 7th one, several dash of our classroom are broken. Several benches of our classroom. 5 glasses are kept on the table. Did you brush your teeth today? Shift the furniture. Here I told you in the rules that furniture is always in singular form. Shift the furniture from the drawing room to this room. So children, come to exercise C. This is again the very simple one. You have to write the plural form of nouns given in the bracket. So let us try. This is page number 28. Page number 28, exercise C. The leaf. What is the plural of leaf? L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. The leaves of the tree have dried up. The roofs. We will not add V-E-S to it. This is R-O-O-F-S. The roofs. The child. The children. Tooth, plural of tooth is teeth. Next, valley, we will add only S to it, not I-E-S, valleys. Next is fairies, F-A-I-R-I-E-S, fairies. Next is deer, we'll mark it as deer. Mouse, mice. Now come to exercise D. This is very simple, children. Do this exercise on your own. So we have revised in the chapter about singular nouns and plural nouns, and ma'am has discussed all the rules with you all. Go through the examples given on page number from pages 24, 25, 26 and 27, and learn these also. Bye for now.